introducing the updated battery case. Original one was made out of PETG, which is not very impact resistant. Strong in other ways, but you know, these get dropped, so I want more impact resistance. So now it is made out of ABS. This is a prototype, so it only has the 2 magnets. The original one has just 2 magnets, but yeah, it's going to have 3. I think it needs more holding power than this. Of course, you can't make enough holding power for every tool out there, but you know, it needs to be better than this, I think. Let's see if I can get a better view. Oh yeah, and I thickened up these areas here, and it's thicker all the way around too than the original, just to make it a little beefier. It's not going to handle being spiked off the concrete, of course, but you know, I like to see it handle more drops than it has been.